What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode. This week we're going to be putting on some wheels. As you can see, we're on stock wheels right now, and I have some new wheels over there. We're going to install in a bit, so stay tuned for that. And also, we're going to be installing some new overlays. Guys, so we're back at Elite Wraps. This is a weekend. Thank God no one's here, so we can actually get a full video for you guys on none of the new wheels and overlays. So first of all, I need some tools and some gloves. So I'm going to head to there. I always like to keep my hands clean. I used to work without gloves. To those who like to work on the cars without their gloves, props to you, because I hate getting the stain on my nails. This is ridiculous. But thanks to Elite Wraps again for letting me come today and using their shop like always. Alright guys, so I have here our old set of wheels. These are the T37s RTs, originally in matte blue finish, and we got it recoated in bronze T finish with the sticker. So with our new set of wheels, which I'm going to show you in a bit, they're almost the same identical size, but the tire is a little bit different. So yeah, so also, by the way, these are 245 4018s. We're going to be running a slightly wider set of tires. And then as you can see, the fitment on stock wheels isn't that bad either. You know, maybe with some spacers, I think if you lower your car, this might look pretty good. All right, guys, so here's the new wheels. So check them out. These are also Ray's engineering wheels. These are the CE28 in mag blue SL version. As you can tell, they're very similar to those. Actually, not really. Okay, totally different style. My bad. But these are more like of a multi-spoke versus, what is it, like a 6-spoke wheel on some Michelin's rubber. Very nice. These are also 255/35. It was 10 millimeter more wider than the last set of tires. So yeah, we're gonna slap these on right now and then see how it fits. I'm very excited for this because I think this finish might look better with the red. I don't know, kind of a Superman, Spider-Man kind of theme going on. But yeah. All right. By the way, guys, the TE37s are for sale if you're interested. We're asking $3,500 or best offer. If you're in SoCal, make sure to hit us up in Instagram DMs. And yeah, they'll fit on any 15 plus to 2022. So with no issues too. You put it on stock suspension, no rubbing, good to go. All right, guys. So here they are. These are the CE28s in mag blue, 18.5 with a 38 offset. So same size as the old set of wheels, but just a wider tire size. Also on Michelin's versus the Falcons. So we can go ahead and slap these on. For those never changed wheels before, I'm pretty sure you guys know how. Always use jack stands, but unfortunately I don't have any here today. So I'm just gonna be using this jack, which is strong enough to hold the car. So I like to lift it up a little bit before I loosen up the lug nuts. All right, guys, so here's a stock wheel. Oh man, these are really, really heavy. My goodness, 17s. They feel like almost 50 something. Yeah, and then these 18s feel about like 35, 40 pounds. So one size up is lighter. So Japan wheels are the way to go. And we get one lug nut. Put it in real quick. I was originally gonna get some red lug nuts, but all my friends were saying, no, black ones look cleaner. Red looks a little too much. Always mount one lug nut. Make sure the wheel's flush. You don't want to use an impact gun right away. I see a lot of people in some shops use the gun right away, and then you're gonna mess up your threads. Don't ever do that. Take your time. Be patient. Well, as you can tell already, it looks hella good. So once we load the car, we'll get a better look. Damn. Oh shit. I almost died. Oh man. Alright guys, here's the front wheel on. Look at the fitment. I think it looks a lot better than the last setup with a 10mm wider tire. Wow. Comment below, let us know what you think. I think it looks pretty freaking sick. And then we'll go ahead and finish all the other ones. So stay tuned. Alright guys, here it is. Here's the new setup on the wheels. I only did one side, so I'm gonna give you a little comparison of how it looks from this side compared to the other side. Obviously stock 17-inch compared to our new 18 9.5s. Wow, look at that. I think it looks so good, especially when we're gonna put the wing on next week. It's gonna look amazing. Let me get a close up to you guys for the fitment. I don't know if it's gonna rub, but on the last setup we did not rub. But I think we should be good. We'll do a test fit run in a bit. Let's go to the fronts. Pretty good. Look like it's gonna clear. So again, shout out to ISC Suspension for the amazing coilovers. Get another front shot of this. Wow, look at that. Comment below, let us know what you think. I think these look a lot better than the Rays, even though those are my favorite wheels of all time, which I had on all my cars, on my M3s, M6, M5s. Personally, those are my all-time favorite wheels, but these right here look pretty good on the CB. Damn, look at that. All right, guys, so I have here Jackson Wang. He's gonna be, why are you laughing, bro? He's gonna be installing the overlays for us today on the 22 WX. So starting with the front. All right, guys, so here's the old overlay that we have on, and then he's gonna show us the new overlay.
The new one is a super gloss finish. As you can see,
wow.
look at that mirror finish, right?
Compared to the other one.
Compared to the other one.
Oh wow, look at that difference, guys.
Look at that gloss finish, yeah.
It's more of a mirror finish compared to like a dull, because this one has a little bit more orange peels.
Yeah.
I know, but this one's more gloss. Nice, okay.
But this one's a bit more expensive. It is $19.99.
How much is the other one?
Well, I don't remember. $14.99, I believe.
Okay.
But go on the website, check it out.
The old one's off, and then he's gonna show us how to apply the new one.
Clean.
All right, guys, so we need to clean this first. Is that alcohol or water?
That's alcohol.
Okay, so alcohol will take off all the
residue. It's a super simple process. Just align it. I like to align it from the side, and then just make sure, just wiggle around to see how you like it to fit. Don't pull too much or else it'll stretch. And then go from the middle, and that's it. And then you, from the middle, I start here, put a line there, so then you know that's the placement. And then you just push down. Push down.
Wow, I can tell it's already a lot more glossy compared to the old one. Let me grab the old one real quick. So here's the old one. It seems like it's has a little orange peel look, you know, like from the factory paint. Some of them, they have the orange peel look. So with the gloss one, it does look a lot better.
You know, if you don't want scratches on it, use a glove, a cloth glove.
So are you telling me you're a professional, huh?
Yeah, it's better, you know. My fingers are a little bit crusty, but it's cool.
Off topic, does this guy look like Jackie Chan's son?
No.
Because I think he looked like Jackie Chan, so I'm gonna put a photo right here, okay? You guys let me know if he looks like him.
So I kind of installed a little bit crooked, but it's still does its job. And if you want to heat it up, just because it's a thicker material, you should heat this up just because water might get in. But if you heat it up, you'll be good to go, and there won't be any bubbles or anything else like that.
Nice.
But yeah,
looks good. Yeah, looks kind of matches the splitter, the gloss black splitter.
Yeah, looks good.
Very nice. All right, guys. So here is the steering wheel overlay that he just put on for me, which is the carbon fiber with red. I told him that I want the gloss one too, just to match the front and back. So, oh, sorry about the beeping. Let me take that out real quick. So yeah, so this kind of matches the fake carbon here. So, I mean, I think it looks pretty good, but I still prefer the gloss black. And then, oh yeah, I haven't really showed the interior. So this is like a dual screen for the base models. So only base model have this. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I think the Premium Plus and Limited have the whole screen. So this reminds me of a Nintendo DS. I don't know if you guys know what those are, but those like the old Game Boys. It's kind of funny. But I mean, it still works the same. Now that I've driven the base model and seen a lot of premium models, I definitely would recommend people getting the whole screen because it looks a lot cleaner. And then we're going to be changing this out soon too. Maybe do the STI short throw. We'll do a DIY on how to do it. And then most importantly, the wing. We're still deciding what to do with the wing. So, but by next week, we should have a wing for you guys. So stay tuned for that. All right, guys. So here's the gloss black overlay. Oh, here's a better focus. Okay. Oh, you already peeled off the other one. Okay, that's fine.
Oh, I thought you already...
No, I already did, yeah.
Okay.
I told the viewers already that we're swapping to the
So
gloss
super simple. A line. Yeah. And then... Oh shit, sorry. It's kind of dark in here. I can't really see it. Okay. And then... There it is. That's it. Super simple. Stick on and apply. Bam! Look at that difference.
Nice. All right, guys, so we're installing the new rear bumper overlay.
New version.
New version. Yeah. So what's the difference between this one and the last one?
The other one was bigger. It's more for people who are, I guess, adept at applying overlays because it's made bigger so it can wrap around the edges, but you would still have to cut and tuck. But this one is more of a pre-cut, so it fits on the outside more. So it doesn't have to have you cut or tuck as much.
Okay. Guys, so here's the final results for the rear bumper overlay. You can order this on our link below, so make sure to check that out. And I'm gonna have a little short exhaust clip for you guys right now, so check that out. Alright guys, so here's the final fit. Again, we're running the Bulk Racing CE28 and Mag Blue SL edition on some Michelin 255/35/18s. As you can tell, the fitment is a lot more meatier, a lot more flush than the last setup, which was on 245s. So the 10mm does make a huge difference. But you guys let me know, what do you think? You guys prefer the more stance, stretch look, or more the aggressive track look? We also gonna plan to paint the grille, so let us know if we should get the JDM grille or just paint it gloss black. That's another thing we've been trying to do for a while now. And as far as the front bumper and side skirts, you guys want us to paint it, so we might possibly go ahead and paint the side skirts. So stay tuned for next week's episode and we'll go from there. Alright guys, thanks for tuning in for this week's short video. As you can see, we mounted the CE28s on a 255/35, which also clears the car with no issues. If you do want to run this setup stock, you'll be fine as well. So 245/40, 255/35, it's no problem. We also have a car at our shop who's running 265/35. I'm gonna check that out next week and get a clip for you guys to see how this fitment is. Aside from that, thanks for tuning in. Hope you like your video this week. Make sure to subscribe, and next week we're going to be finalizing on which wing we're going to use. Catch you later.